Hello once again. This is Mr. Rock. Hello, Concord Junior High math students. This is another video. This one is titled Evaluating Expressions. An expression is a math problem without an equal sign. For example, 3 to the second power, also known as 3 squared, is an expression because it's a math problem and it doesn't have an equal sign. Evaluate means to calculate the answer. For example, when you have 3 to the second power, that's the expression. 3 to the second power is equal to 9. That's the answer. So what I did was I evaluated this expression. So evaluate means to calculate the answer. All right, here's an example. It says determine if the given value is a solution to the equation. If it is a solution, select true. If it is not a solution, select false. So this is an equation right here. How do I know it's an equation? It has an equal sign. And what they're asking us to do is they're asking us to evaluate this equation for the value x equal 5. And what that means is we're going to put 5 in place of x, and we're going to simplify or evaluate this equation to see if both sides equal the same number. All right, here we go. I'm going to replace x with 5, so this is going to be 5 squared over 5 minus 4. Does that equal 2 times 5? Let's see, I get 25 over 20. Let me explain what I did there. 5 to the second power is 25. Ooh, this should be 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is uno, or 1 in German. Does that equal 2 times 5, which is 10? The answer to that is no. They are not equal. So the answer here would be false. 5 is not a solution. Okay, here's another example. Ooh, this one says evaluate. That means calculate the answer. Evaluate what? The expression, the math problem without an equal sign. And they tell us some more information. They say that a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 3, and c is equal to negative 1.5. So I'm going to take these numbers here, and I'm going to put them in this expression here. Okay, here I go. B is negative 3. C is negative 1.5. And A is 2. The absolute value of negative 3 is positive 3. The absolute value of negative 1.5 is positive 1.5 plus 2. 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5 plus 2. 4.5 plus 2 is 6.5. So the answer then here is A. So what I did was I evaluated this expression. Put the numbers in, calculated the answer. Okay, here's another kind of evaluation. It says the area of a trapezoid is given by the formula A stands for area equals the height divided by 2 times A plus B. says find the area of a trapezoid with bases a equal 13, b equal 19, and h equal 4. Even if I don't understand everything there is to finding the area of a trapezoid, I can still do this problem. All I have to do is take the numbers that they give me and plug them into the expression or formula. In this case, this is a formula. So here we go. H, they tell me in the problem that h is equal to 4. And they tell me that a is equal to 13 and b is equal to 19. See, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 13 plus 19 is 32. 2 times 32 is 64. So the area of this trapezoid is 64 centimeters squared. Now it's time for a singing break. We've worked out lots of examples and we have a few more to go. But I think that this singing break is very applicable to math because mistakes get made, and that's how you learn. Get over your mistakes and be proud of what you learn. Here's the singing. You can sing along with me if you like. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. In the end, it's better for me. That's the moral of the story. It's pretty good singing, isn't it? Thank you. I appreciate your support. Okay, here is another problem. This one's about Mia. Mia works at a job earning $4.75 per hour. How many hours should Mia work to earn $124? Well, this is a division problem. And this is what I mean when I say it's a division problem. First of all, Mia, she earns $4.75 per hour. In this problem, I'm going to let H represent the number of hours that Mia is going to work. So when I multiply these two numbers together, the amount that she makes per hour and the number of hours that she works, that's going to equal the amount of pay she receives. And in this problem, we want Mia to receive $124. So how are we going to figure out how many hours that she works? Well, we have to divide both sides by $4.75. So I get H is the number of hours. It's 124 divided by $4.75. So how many hours is that? That is 26.1 hours. That's how many hours she has to work to make $124. And I believe this is the last example. It says evaluate. I know what that means. That means to calculate the answer. The expression, I know what that is. That's a math problem without an equal sign. See, I have 2/3 times the quantity y plus 6 when y is equal to 3. All right. So here's my problem. I'm going to replace y with 3. Do what's inside the parentheses first. 3 plus 6 is 9. Ooh, 2/3 times 9. I can hear the questions now. Mr. Rock, how do I do this problem? Well, this is what I would do. I would go 2 times 9, which is 18, and then divide that by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So the answer there would be B. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you know what it means to evaluate an expression. If not, you could always go back and watch this video again. The more times you watch this video, the more views I get on YouTube. The more views I get on YouTube, the more money I make. Have a good day. Bye.